Hey, welcome to part 2. Quick little tip here. If you don't lock this in place, say the Twitter. So, when you hear that little now you could do the Twitter. So, let's see. I believe I had it set up for white spin. So let's take our Ogre Bay. And I don't know how many times you gotta turn it. I'm guessing just once. Okay, and well, once is not the magic number. So about, I don't know, maybe 10 to 15 times you gotta keep turning it. Now the bay does come off of here very easily when you turn it, like, see? So turn it until you really can't turn it anymore. And then, I mean, it does work. You can see clearly that, the bay is spinning, so it works. Just kind of a pain that, you gotta turn it, you gotta crank it so many times, and then pull the trigger, versus a string launcher, put the bay, turn it a little bit, pull the string, or, my favorite's always gonna be a whipcord launcher, because I'm the guy that always has that power launch, that if this was a string launcher, I'd break it by just whipping that string out. So, yeah. For me, whipcord launchers are always, the best ones. So let's switch up to left spin. Just turn it on over here, and I believe, yep, slide it in. Do you have to have this cap on there? Yes, you must have the cap on it to lock it, so that it lets the trigger move. So it's kind of like a trigger safety. I believe I have this thing set up in white spin. No, left spin, I believe. I'm not counting how many times, I'm doing this, but just say a lot. Okay, my bad. This one I had set in a white spin rotation. So, it's not going to do things because I set this bay up for a white spin. Now, something that I want to point out here, notice. So far, the only bay that we really know that can switch between a left and white spin is Spriggan S requirement. That's about the only bay that, can swap between a white spin and left spin bay that we can recall offhand at the moment. But on here, they're saying that it's the left spin and white spin launcher. But there's no gimmick or tools to get in there and, swap out the things. Maybe there is. So, see that weird little notch right there? Let's see. Oh, dudes, I just figured this trick out. This weird little notch right here, as you can see, right there, maybe. Yeah, that's for doing the mode change on Spriggan S requirement. Yep. So it does have a left-right tool built into it, like how we see on some other launchers. Although it doesn't mention that anywhere on the box or, in the instructions that, you can use it for Spriggan, but yeah. Now can other bays get attached on here? Not bays, but bay launchers. Yeah, you could do it like that. Kind of give it a weird, goofy handle. I don't know why you want to do it like this, because it kind of offsets it, because, this is going to be more power. But you can. Although this one is a bit tight. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I got this stud on there. Dang it, and I love this one. Now I got it off. Can you attach it anywhere else? Nope. So kind of stupid that you can only attach them to here and you